Welcome back now in Chinese, Mia here. Well, last time we learned Hanzi Qiu, right? And I mentioned what fruits are popular in China during autumn. Top one, I would say, Li, pears. So today, I'm back in the supermarket and I will show you different kinds of Chinese pears. They might be a bit different from the pears at your place. Let's go. 我要吃梨. I want to eat some pears. Let's practice the pronunciation while we are heading towards the fruit section. Very simple. Li, second tone, right? Li. Li. Alright, I'm at the Li section. Right, let's check out several different kinds of Li. These are Huanghuan Li, light yellow color with some dark spots on the peel. Huanghuan means crown. I'm not sure why. They do not look like crown shaped, but they're called Huanghuan Li. Next one, last time I already showed you. 这是秋月梨 Very sweet. 秋月梨 Autumn moon pears. They look like autumn full moon. These are also 秋月梨 extra large sized. See the 汉字 here? 秋月梨. Maybe it's evening time. I didn't find too many types of pears on the shelves. Anyways, here right now I'm at the beverage section and let's check out some pear beverages. Alright, the first one behind me, this thing. 冰糖炖梨. Tang means sugar. 冰 means ice. 冰糖, what do you think? 冰糖 means rock sugar. 炖 is a verb. 炖 means stew. 梨 pear. There we go, this thing. Pretty heavy in the glass container. Well, this is considered very good for your health, especially in autumn, while your throat tends to be dry, and drinking this 冰糖炖梨 can help you relieve the dryness and keep your throat moisturized. Okay, let me show you next one. 冰糖雪梨 冰糖雪梨 A bottled drink. Again, 冰糖 rock sugar. 雪梨 雪 means snow because the pulp of pear is snowy white. So sometimes we call 梨 as 雪梨. It's more elegant, more beautiful. But basically it's just pear. Don't know which type. It doesn't tell. So it's not pear juice. So you can see here, it says 冰糖雪梨饮料. 饮料 means beverage. So if it's juice, it will say 汁 juice. 桃汁, for example, peach juice. So here, 100% 汁. While this one is not juice, this is just pear-flavored beverage, so the percentage of pear juice here is not high, but you will get some flavor, and that's it. Alright, that's all for today's Now in Chinese. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye bye.